Welcome back. In this video, we're tackling something that's confused a lot of believers for a long time. What does the Bible actually say about money? Because depending on what church you grew up in, you probably heard one of two extremes. One side says money is evil, wealth is worldly, and being broke is somehow holy. The other side says God wants every believer rich, flashy, and driving a Bentley by Friday. Both extremes are off. The Bible doesn't say money is evil. 1 Timothy 6:10 says, "For the love of money is the root of all evil." The love of it, not the money itself. Money is neutral. It's the heart behind it that matters. At the same time, the Bible doesn't promise everyone material riches as a sign of God's favor. That's prosperity gospel, and it's misleading. What the Bible does teach is this: God blesses faithfulness, diligence, wisdom, and stewardship. Proverbs is full of it. Proverbs 10:4 says, "He becometh poor that dealeth with a slack hand, but the hand of the diligent maketh rich." Proverbs 13:11 says, "Wealth gotten by vanity shall be diminished, but he that gathereth by labor shall increase." God isn't against you having, He's against having it owning you. He's not against wealth, He's against wealth becoming your God. When we get this right, money stops being something we chase and starts being something we steward. It becomes a tool to provide, to give, to build, to fund kingdom work, and to leave a legacy. That's the right relationship with money. Here's your action step: check your heart. Ask yourself honestly, do I love money, or do I love what God can do through me with it? That one question will keep you grounded for the rest of your life. In video 6, we're getting practical. We're talking about the first real wealth skill: cash flow. Let's keep building.